I assume since you clicked the video, you want to see me put together this Pokeball and stand. Well, you're in luck, because after a warning and a crappy intro, that's exactly what you're going to see. Warning: the following video may contain nudity, violence, foul language, Team Rocket propaganda, a copyright infringement, a low-quality voiceover, 3 chickens, low self-esteem, the New York Mets, 3D printed Pokeballs, fucked up hair, a Spanish love song, or even 3 violent, naked chickens fighting over baseball. It may also just be a video about a custom Pokeball. Viewer discretion is advised. You can see in front of you are 6 of the 8 pieces required to make this Pokeball. I am missing the spring that keeps the button extended, and I'm missing the pin, which goes into that gap and connects to here. The reason I did not print these out is because this is simply going to be a display. I'm just going to sit on this nice little stand I made and sit on my desk. I didn't want it to function, although it can if you print out every piece. Now the first step will be taking the ring and adhering it to the bottom of the Pokeball. We're going to do that with some simple super glue, and hopefully I don't get it on my skin this time. I also hope I'm not out of super glue. Alright, there we go. This is supposed to be 10-second super glue, so we're going to wait a half hour, and when it's finally cured, we'll get back. Okay, so that actually worked way faster than I thought it was going to. You then are going to take the button, and let me see here. Going to thread the notch up, as you can see, and then you're just going to press the button in. Now, there is a guide for which that tab actually runs in. As you can see, when you press it into place, that guide is what keeps the notch side up. Once again, since this is a display, I'm not installing the spring, and I'm not making sure there's clearance enough for the button to work. Go ahead and place that in the Hail Giovanni piece. Now time for the R. The R actually printed out well enough that it can just be pressure fit in and it won't fall out. Then, just go ahead, set the top of the Pokeball on the bottom, and you have your Team Rocket Hail Giovanni Pokeball display. Well, at least I do, because I'm the only one that's going to have it, because I'm not releasing the STLs until someone in the comments asks for it. Anyway, short video, guys, because that's all it is. Hope you enjoyed it. That's the video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed me assembling this Pokeball that Giovanni himself would be proud of. Hail, Giovanni! I'll just put this... Shit. Anyway, guys, if you liked this video, like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. Put in the comments why you liked it or disliked it. While you're down in the comments, comment, Hail, Giovanni! If you got this far into the video. Other than that, have a nice day. Look at some of my other videos. Follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, and any other link I put down in the description. And I'll see you next time. If you didn't already know, Giovanni is the head of Team Rocket. He's also the dad of that little red-headed fuck from Heart Gold and Soul Silver that stole the good Pokemon. Hail, Giovanni!